All right, we've moved our festivities from the gardens to Great America to check out the site of Wrath from here. It looks awesome. A loop. And of course, lots of other nice scenery. Sorry about your little... Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, you could see the beyond vertical. Another angle. Compared to X-Flight there, that's cool. Neat. Oh, we're so excited for this.
Just try signing me into their
the park Wi-Fi.
Sending me into the park
Should we
Wi-Fi.
try to go at the front of the park or something like that, or is this good?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Another nice angle.
My favorite ride.
They're really going.
They are really cranking it, yeah. Thanks, Mike, for pointing out this part. This view is awesome. See Southwest nicely. Terrific. Wow. Can't wait. But I have to. Yeah. My train under the tarp. I never really realized how close Eagle Station is to the highway, to the road. Nice little looking Goliath on the way back to our cars.